Hello everyone, and welcome to the DC Public Library STEM Time. I'm Miss Tara. So today we're focusing on the S in STEM, which stands for science. And we're taking a closer look at the magic or the superpower that is soap. In this pandemic that we are going through right now, it is so important to be washing your hands properly and to be washing them with soap. And there's a great reason why. It's because soap has the ability to run and chase down germs. And to prove this to you, we're going to do an experiment with a pan with edges. This is what you're going to need. And you're going to fill that pan nice and high with water, okay? I've used a nice long pan. And then we're going to take some ground pepper flakes, okay? So if you're a household family that buys your peppers as little kernels, you're going to be grinding these to get the pepper flakes. And you're going to put pepper all over the water in the pan. And for the sake of the magic of our experiment, I'm actually going to tap the bottom and get as much pepper as I can possibly get in there. Pepper is expensive. Your caregiver might not be cool with you doing that. I'm doing it so that you can see on the camera, okay? So I've got pepper lying on the top of the water. Now what's going to happen if I take a Q-tip, put soap on it? Remember, I was just telling you about that soap is has superpowers. So what's your hypothesis? What is your prediction? What do you think is going to happen if I put this Q-tip with soap in the middle of the pan with the pepper floating on top? Are you ready? Here we go. Do you see the pepper moving to the edge? Some people call this scared pepper. And I loaded it so full with pepper, you know what? Let's add some more and see what happens if we put it in the corner. So what's happening here is pepper really does not like to be, well, it's not going to move again because it's already experienced the soap. Pepper does not like to mix with the water. It doesn't dissolve in water. It's just hanging out on top because of surface tension. So remember how water likes to kind of hang out and really form a nice tight bond unless you're able to break through it. It always forms a nice tight bond at the part where it's exposed, like at the top of the ocean, the lake, at the top of your glass, okay, when you're taking a glass of water. So the pepper's just floating, it's hanging out, it's not even trying to break through, the water doesn't want to get together with it or anything, and then along comes superpower soap. And soap is really good at breaking through tension, surface tension. And soap is also really good at chasing things down. And so what the soap does is it makes the pepper bend and move and shake and chases it to the side. So that it looks like it's scared pepper, but really it's the power of soap and the wonderful, wonderful way that soap is structured, which you'll learn about more in detail some other time. But for now, all you need to know is be sure to be washing those hands because as you can see, it has a real effect. Hand washing is a good way to get rid of germs. Think of the pepper as germs. It's a good way to get it out of there and down the sink. All right, until next time, I'm Miss Tara. Thank you for joining me for STEM Time. Don't forget to check us out at dclibrary.org for audiobooks, ebooks, games, puzzles, magazines, videos, music, so much more is happening there at our website where we are always open. Until next time, take care.